Hey folks, it is Tuesday, April 5th, and yeah, we are going to learn all about assignment 4 today. Go ahead and watch this video. It's real short. This is kind of a cool, simple assignment. You get to play with toys. So there's the video for it, then definitely check out the handout. That's kind of important, directions and whatnot. The due dates are all in there too, right? So there's that. And then I want you to just take some time to read in class today about writing assembly instructions. Now, I know that you have, just in the previous assignment, learned about technical writing and how to write instructions. But assembly instructions are a tiny bit different, and so I want you to go ahead and check out this reading and just read it and take notes on it. You don't have to do an active reading thing if you don't want to, but I did allow the comments to be, you can comment on the reading if you want to, like if you just want to have that dialogue there, but we are going to chat about it. Also, the copy that I linked to up here is clean, but the reading is a little bit dense. So if you would be, I guess, if you think it would be more helpful to have notes, I did include my copy that does have my notes on it. So there's that. So once you've done that, and it's misleading because it looks really short, but like the writing is dense. But anyway, when you're done, I want you to head over to the Unit 4 chat, Unit 4 chat A, I've linked to it here, and just write a 3 to 4 sentence post about a piece of information that you learned that maybe extends what you've already learned about writing instructions, but is really specifically thinking about assembly and that kind of action and how that might require us visualizing our instructions a tiny bit differently. Okay, so go ahead and check that out. And then for homework, you are going to be reading Ewald's technical paragraphs. As this note, you only need to read the first 9 pages of that reading. There's actually a second reading that's folded into that we're going to read for next time. So you don't have to read that unless you're like, oh, I just absolutely want to do all this now. That's up to you, right? Anyway, that's what you're reading is the technical paragraphs chapter. And then once you've done that, head over to Unit 4 Chat B, linked here, and just kind of share like a 1 to 2 sentence reflection on what you learned from technical paragraphs, because this actually is important. You actually need to like lead with your best stuff when you're doing technical writing, so that it's very clear where everything is and what it's about. So even if it seems like that's not a reading that you are super jazzed about, it's actually going to end up being really helpful for your writing. Okay, so that is what we're doing today.